What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing my very first empties video for you guys. Yay, it's a long time due video, you guys, and I thought I'm already ready. I just got done filming 2 videos for you guys, and this one will take just a little bit of talk, and that's pretty much it. So why not? Come on. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys. I have all of my empties right in here. Wow. The first thing I want to talk to you guys about is that I am a huge fan of Bath and Body Works, and I love candles, or I can just light a candle whenever I am in a good mood. I want to be in a good mood. I would just, like, any excuse, I would light a candle. Like, I love them so much. This one right here is white tea and ginger, so heavenly beautiful candle. Anytime I would burn this candle, like, I got asked, what is burning, like, what is that smell? Just love this. It is so calming. You have your white tea and ginger in it, and it's still not that overpowering, so it really makes you feel so good. So this one is to balance delicate white tea leaves with sparkling citrus and a hint of ginger for a fresh, irresistible fragrance. And anytime I burn this, yes, it was so awesome. I loved it. So wow, I didn't know that. It's 100% guaranteed. Love it or your money back. Wow. I guess I love it. The next candle I'm a huge fan of is Japanese Cherry Blossom. This is a, oh my gosh, I love this. This is so sweet, so sexy at the same time. Just amazing candle. I have a backup for it. Like, the candles that I love so much, I will have a backup for. I just recently placed another order, and I purchased one in store. So, like, I just love candles. I love candles. It is amazing. So this one right here is rare Japanese Cherry Blossom with Asian pear, mimosa petals, and cedar wood. Wow, really love that. Another empty, something that I'm a huge fan of, is Bath and Body Works. This is their warm vanilla sugar gentle foaming hand soap, you guys. So classic. Like, love this smell. You cannot go wrong with this. I love this so much. So if I were to purchase their foaming soap, this is gonna be one of them. Like, this is so classic. I love this. It makes me feel so rich and so luxurious, like, just so fun. This is just one of those scents that I just can't even explain. Like, this just makes me feel so good about myself. It just makes me very confident, and I just love that. What do you know? I have another candle for you guys. This one right here is Winter Rose. And boy, it smells so good. It's like a perfume. I feel like it reminds me of my favorite perfume, which is Chloe. This one is soft rose petal, pink peppercorn, white cedarwood, luxe sandalwood. So you cannot go wrong with this one. I love this. I hate the fact that some of them are limited edition and you can't repurchase them whenever you want to, but then again, that's what keeps them going for making new scented candles for us. The next product I have here, I'm a huge fan of. It really have changed my hair game ever since I purchased this, and this one right here is Redken. This is the sulfate-free frizz dismiss shampoo. I also own the conditioner and also the cream for the hair, and it really makes my hair very smooth. I have less of a shedding problem, and this really changed my game, and I love this so much. I always have backup. Like, I don't want to be out of it. And this is the size I ordered, which is the 33.8 fluid ounce. Whenever they are running a deal is when I purchase this, and then definitely purchase the pump for it because it fits better and makes it more convenient in the shower. And that's what that is, you guys. My conditioner, however, I don't know if my husband does not use the conditioner or what it is, but we're always out of the shampoo more than the conditioner. So the conditioner is about to get empty, but not so much. That's why only shampoo made it into my video. Next product I have here is e.l.f. Cosmetics Complete Coverage Concealer. You guys, I am a huge fan of this. Like, I would mix all these shades together. This is my second palette that is emptied from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I would mix all these shades together to give me that coverage and correct and conceal at the same time. Love the compact version of this. It has a mirror for you. Definitely a travel friendly. I would definitely purchase this again. This one right here is Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder. If you want to look for a affordable compact version of a powder situation, this was this is the one to go to. I love setting my under eyes or even my whole entire face if I want to. It never fails me. That is, this one right here is pure acetone. This is the Onyx Professional. You can easily purchase this at Walmart or any drugstore near you. I am always out of these. Like, I probably have 2 more bottles here and there laying around. Like, this is something that I use a lot, especially if you have fake nails, acrylic nails. This just takes off product a lot more easier. If you have glitter nail polish or like jewels add-on, and nail polish is not removing it for you, definitely solve your problem. This one right here is Chi Infra Texture. I love the way it smells so good. It'll just give you that boost of natural sheen into your hair. It'll also make your layers look a lot more better. It just works so good on my hair, and I love this. However, I do have a hard time finding this in stores, so good luck. For those who have been following me know that this is the only setting spray that I apply on my face. I cannot do without it. Like, I can have another setting spray, but I have to have this one as well. So this is definitely a must try thing. I love this so much. Change this for anything. Next one I have here, this is my by far the favorite dry shampoo. This one is by Tresemme, and this is the volumizing dry shampoo. Not only is affordable, easily available drugstore, and yeah. The next product I have here is the Olay. This is the oil minimizing foaming cleanser, you guys. It is so good. It's one of those staple products that I've been using for a long time during my high school when I actually found this, and this is a cream, one of a kind cleanser. Not only is it very gentle, oil free, and it just turns into that foam to take the makeup off. Like, any other cream cleanser wouldn't do it for me, but this one would. And there's something about it. I love the way it smells. I love the way it smells. The next product I have here is a body cream. This one is Moonlight Path. I have like my childhood connected to this. I feel like because whenever I first came to US, I was gifted this, and it just reminds me of that. It smells so good, very calming. I just don't even know how to describe this. Just so good. So it smells so good, and I'm a huge fan of their body creams anyways. Like, one of the products that I have here that I moisturize my hand with before I start filming so they don't look very dry and patchy. This is 1000 Wish Body Butter. Obviously it's not empty, but I'm just telling you that I love their body creams, body butters. They're just so amazing. The next product I have here is the Neutrogena. This is their Healthy Skin Press Powder, and I have 2 of them for you, and they're both light to medium. Like, I like this so much. Anytime I want to do a drugstore makeup, and this would be it. It looks so good. Right here is my by far the favorite eye makeup remover. Is from Lumine. It is waterproof as well. Like, you can take your waterproof makeup with it as well. It feels so good. It is, I love the packaging of this and everything about it, and it's affordable as well. I believe I purchased this at CVS, but you can definitely find this in Walmart as well. Next I have here is the Revlon Color Stay Whipped Cream Makeup. This is in shade Caramel. This is the one that I actually love using for contouring, and look how much I've used. It's like literally hitting the pot. I love this so much, you guys. If you are looking for a very affordable contour that really blends easily into your foundation, check this one out. The only thing is, I hate the packaging. I wish it would be more of a better packaging, but then for contour I feel like it kind of does work, because you can just dip in your brush and just go with it. So that's that. Another Urban Decay setting spray in here. Let's see. Then I have my Lancome. Oh my gosh, love this one. I need to buy this again. This is the Lancome Dual Finish Foundation Powder in Matte Nude 3rd. Is my shade, you guys, and I love this guy so much. Anytime I just want to have a quick makeup, or I want a healthy makeup look, I would just do a concealer, corrector situation, whatever, and then just go with this powder all over my face. Love it. And love the packaging of this. It is very travel friendly. You can even throw it in your purse and call it a day. This product I have here is the CoverGirl eyeshadow stacks. This one right here is in French Vanilla. I love using this. I just no longer buy this anymore because I have turned into a palette girl, so no more individual shadows for me. But this right here, I love using it for my highlight of my brows or inner corner, something like that. I have another double duty wet and dry press powder compact by Ulta Beauty. You guys definitely need to check this out. This is a full coverage situation here, and you will not be disappointed at all. Love the packaging. You have your mirror in it, and the sponge compartment is completely separate. I always have this. Like, I've already purchased the replacement of this. Love it so much. This one right here is Physicians Formula CC Plus concealer situation. I think it was like a one-time thing. I'm probably not even out all the way, but I gave up on it. Like, it's like one of those products that I used because I had it, but I will not be purchasing this. Next product I have here is Nivea Men Sensitive Post Shea Balm. Like, do we need to go over this? Like, it's not empty, it's completely full. I probably used it one time, but I'm gonna go ahead and give that a go in a trash because I think it was a bad idea. For those who watch my channel know that I love this so much. This is my go-to NYX eyeshadow base in skin tone. OMG, you guys, this makes my eyeshadow game so good. I love this. Like, it is very affordable, and I would rather use this versus any other eyeshadow bases out. The only time I use another one is to just create a cut crease, but this was always my go-to one. This one right here is e.l.f. Shadow Lock eyeshadow primer, you guys. It just dried on me. I never used it, so since it's dry, I call it empty, so that's why it's in here. Otherwise, something that didn't work for me, so it should have been in my disappointed videos. Alright, you guys, so be ready because I have a bunch of mascaras for you. I do not want to go in depth. I'll just tell you that I love it, like it, or don't care, because all the mascara is supposed to give you the same thing, which is lengthening and volumizing your lashes. And by far my favorite one is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this is my empty one right over here, and I do love this so much, and I think it lasted me quite some time, so now it's time to let go of it. So I have two of them. Then I have a Physicians Formula. This is a mascara. It's like a nah for me. I love the packaging, however it also had a shoe attached to it. I wonder what happened to it, but anyhow, this is something I wouldn't be purchasing again. It didn't do much for me. And next product I have here is the Essence. This is the Lash Princess Volume Mascara. This was a beautiful mascara. I really did enjoy using it. Loved the packaging. Very different, very classic, very chic. I would definitely repurchase that. This one right here was a free gift, birthday gift actually, from Ulta. This is Calvin Klein mascara. I wouldn't be purchasing this again. I do like the fact that it was a good try of actually making the wand go from longer to actually thicker for volume, but just didn't work for me. I actually am also not into this hard bristle kind of brush for my lashes. I have very sensitive eyes, so that's what that is. I will not be purchasing this. Next product I have here is Tarte Light Camera Lashes Mascara. I had kind of like a bittersweet relationship. Like, some days it really did work great for me, but some days it didn't, so I'm not what it is. So unless it's on sale, I wouldn't be purchasing this one. Right here I have my e.l.f. Cosmetics Eyebrow Treat and Tame. I never got done with the tame part, but because I'm not even sure what are you supposed to do with that. When are you supposed to apply it, before or after? But I really, as you guys can see, I really got a good use out of the other side, which is to actually go through your brows, stay in put. I really loved using that, so I will definitely be purchasing this again. I already have one. This one right here is the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes Mascara. I wanted to give this a try. My favorite mascara is from L'Oreal, without knowing that it has a more of a like a plastic kind of deal, but that's my, again, something that I don't like in mascara, so I would not be purchasing this again. Next mascara I have here is Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. This one was an okay mascara. However, it has the same wand situation. It's not really quite empty, but I think I just gave up on it. I do not want to use this again and wouldn't be purchasing this again. Next one I have here is the Tarte Cosmetics mascara. This was a great mascara, you guys, and that's what that looks like. So This one right here is BH Cosmetics Liquid Eyeliner. It was a good liner for the most part, but now it's kind of drying out. It's not black anymore. It's kind of getting very dry and hard to show up, especially when I have makeup on. So for an eyeliner to show on a bare hand versus on top of the eyeshadow, it's a whole nother level of game. So it works here but then not here, so that's why this one is going. Then another eyeliner, wow, this is an old one, so it's probably going because of that too. This is L'Oreal liner in Carbon Black. Not sure if they still have it available or not, but oh wow, it's still good to go. Oh, wow, it's just too wet, like too runny everywhere. Look, I just wanted to swatch it, but it already made enough mess. I'd rather opt in for a Wet n Wild eyeliner instead. Next product I have here is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Under Eye Primer, which actually worked great on me. So I would definitely be looking forward to purchasing this again. There's still some left in it. It just applies so good. I love the fact the way this packaging feels. It's very travel friendly. You can even stick it in your purse if you want to, so that was something that I really enjoyed. This one right here is Prime Time Foundation Primer by Bare Minerals. It actually did what a primer is supposed to do, so no other nothing special. I have plenty of primers, so this is something I'm not looking forward to purchasing in the near future, but maybe down the road. So that's what that is. So these are my first few empties that I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell down below so you can stay tuned whenever I upload a video. And other than that, I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.